Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be discussing how you can block websites on your iPhone 16 Pro Max or iOS 18. You can block any website or only view the restricted websites which you want your phone to access on. It is very easy. What you need to do, just go to the settings here. After going to the settings, you need to scroll down and find the screen time option here. Tap on it. After tapping on it, enable the screen time. Swipe out and you can see that there is a content and privacy restriction. Tap on it. Enable the setting for content and privacy restrictions here. Provide your screen time password, and you need to just go to the App Store, Media and Web Games here. After going to the App Store, Media and Web and Game, you can see that there's an option Web Content. Just tap on it, and then you can limit the adult website. Your phone automatically limits the adult website to your phone, and or you can select only approved website. Under the approved website, you can select only the websites which you want to access. No other website will open into your iPhone. So that's how you can actually restrict any website or block any website on your iPhone. Make sure you have a great FaceTime password or your iPhone Apple ID password. Thank you very much for watching the video. I hope this has helped you out. Until next video, bye bye.